So I've predicted every single move in the market this year. Can you even believe that shit? I can't even believe that shit. And the thing is, guys, I've been in the markets now 6 years, and you start to taste what is going to happen next. So in February, I said I was looking for a 100-day moving average retest for Bitcoin, because we revisit the 100-day moving average and we were way overdue. And what normally happens is you get a really volatile, aggressive sell-off. That 100-day acts as support and we bounce off. I explained all this in a video. Check my YouTube channel. I go into depth in all this, but I understand we're on TikTok now and I can't even get your attention for 5 fucking minutes before you're tuning out, watching ladyboys putting makeup on. So this is what I explained on my YouTube video, and what did we do? We fucking came down, we bounced off that 100-day, perfect! And I made more money in that single trade than most people are going to make in the next 7 years working their fucking 9 till 5. And I showed you all the orders in real time as I was buying in, and you can see I'm averaging into that level. So I'm not waiting for that 100-day moving average and going all in. That would really send me, like, you know, that would make me anxious and stressed. So what I do is slowly start buying. As the price comes down to it, I start averaging in nicely, and as we come down further, I'm like, here we go. So then I can start piling the capital in, and then once we hit it, I'm like a fucking kid in the sweet shop. We bounced, made a fuck ton of money, and then so we caught the bottom, we bounced, we pumped, started taking profits as we pumped, and then I predicted that, by the way, this is unfucking believable. I didn't see anyone else talking about anything like this, because everybody was calling for lower prices. Everybody was saying we're gonna drop. So you know what's coming next. When everyone's saying down, I'm saying up. And that's why I'm saying I'm not really relating to people. I'm not gratifying, I'm not validating, and I'm not relating to what they're thinking and saying. I'm doing the opposite. That's where the money is. And that's why I'm trying to explain through doing all these videos. I did a video on Richard Wyckoff explaining how he studied the big players. All the big players on Wall Street were working together to trick everyone else. And he was watching them, mapping it all out, and then he told you. And they're still doing it. They're still using the same techniques now. It's fucking unbelievable. And when you understand all this, you can start to make money in the market. So what I said was, in March, is that I'm expecting the price to rally to 32k, break that 28.8k resistance. And we've been sat at that level for 2 months. What happened was, while we were sat there, everybody's opening up short positions. So you know what the fucking cartel is going to do next. Liquidate all those fucking shorts, push the price up, get all those people who are bearish, bullish. Because what happens is, people generally go from one extreme to another, and they're the people who are losing money. You have to be ahead of the game. You have to see where they are. So they switched from bearish to bullish at 32k. It's actually 31k, but I'm fucking caught. I'm claiming that shit anyway. And then at 31k, everyone's like, here we go, new bull market. I am just like, sell, fucking selling the shit out of it. And then came back down. It was absolutely amazing, and I'm just buzzing. I'm still buzzing, it's been a fucking month. Just wanted to add in here that I was talking about selling May and go away, and exactly when that sell-off was coming in February, and I was saying it comes mid-April. The other thing that I'm looking at right now is there's a sell in May and go away philosophy. It's actually, go away. I'm going to read this out now. Sell in May and go away refers to a well-known adage in the business and financial world. The phrase refers to an investment strategy for stocks based on the theory that the stock market underperforms in a 6-month period between May and October. And if you look on the chart, 2021, 50% drop in May. Now, this normally gets front run, so normally it's April. Normally it's mid-April. When did it come? 16th of April. It doesn't get any better than that. I didn't see anyone talking about selling May and go away until fucking May. It's too fucking late. So I'm ahead of the game. I'm ahead of everyone else. It's like, this is a different fucking level. I'm playing a different fucking game. I've been killing it. So I've got loads of messages, people are spamming me. My inbox is just ding, 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 ding. I can't keep up. So if I haven't messaged you back, I'm really sorry, but I physically can't keep up. And I'm doing this shit for free, you know what I mean? It's not my fucking day job reading messages and replying to people. So I'm making videos trying to reply to everyone in a video. So everyone's asking me, what's your next prediction? You got this year, you got everything that happened this year right so far. What's your next prediction? So tomorrow I'll do a video on my next prediction in the markets. I want to say, a lot of guys are coming in now, they're trying to be clever, they're trying to trade, and you know, if you go to university to be a doctor, you study for fucking 5-6 years, and architects, I think that's 5 years, 4 or 5 years. You come into the trading world, do you think you can come in here and start making money like that? You need to learn what you do, you need to understand, study, research, analyse, and make mistakes, go through the motions. Look at anyone, they make one mistake, they lose their money, and they're gone. So, if you are prepared for the hurdles, the setbacks, the mistakes, the volatility, the uncertainty, you will not make it in this game. And that is why I'm saying mindset is 90% of this. Because if you haven't got tough skin, this game will fucking destroy you. So for the savage few out there who are willing to go through it, my content is for you. But for the retail, everyday, average Joe who's just kind of happy existing and doing the minimum, probably not for you. So stay tuned, guys. I'll throw a video out tomorrow, my latest prediction. I've been right so far this year. I'm claiming that clout.